I've been looking for a shower head with a longer extension hose to utilize in my basement shower, specifically to bathe my large dogs. I really appreciate this shower head and hose because it is very substantial yet lightweight. It was extremely easy to install and all required parts and tape were included. I'm very happy with the product and its multiple settings provide the ability to effectively bathe my large dogs and puppies alike. The 6-feet hose is the real added plus for me and is typically required to be purchased separately. The appearance is streamlined and high-end. Definitely better than what is in my personal shower. Oh well, my dogs are clean and I'm happy. Considering one for myself in the near future. East 6 to install. Several shower adjustments for different spray patterns. Generous hose length for both personal and also use in cleaning hard to reach shower areas. I had been in the market for a different shower head for quite a while. I couldn't seem to settle on anything. There was always something stopping me such as the options like weight, length, modes, price etc. Then I found this and it checked off all the boxes. I was a little bit worried still but I figured I'd give it a shot. I'm really glad I did. Because not only am I the one happy in the house but the whole family loves it. Also now we can give our German Shepherds baths so much easier with the long extended hose. If you're on the fence, jump over it. It's an awesome choice. And you definitely get a lot for your money. Everyone in the family loves this handheld shower and everyone has a different setting they want to use. It is very good quality and it will last a long time. Wonderful shower head. Great water pressure. Easy install with no leaks. Love all of the setting options. Can't do much better in this price range. 5 stars.